You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want. Always stand up for what you believe in, even if it means standing alone. Take risks. If you win, you will be happy. If you lose, you will be wise. Look for something positive every day, even if some days you have to look a little harder. Only those who care about you can hear when you are quiet. The longer you live in the past, the less future you have to enjoy. The past in your head, the future is in your hands. Struggle to turn your sky into a ceiling. You must believe it. There's always a way. Life has no remote. Get up and change it yourself. Accept what you can't change. Focus on what is in your control. Focus on the solution, not on the problem. Life is really too short. Don't waste time worrying too much. Never be prisoner of your past. It was a lesson, not a life sentence. Every person needs a friend to make them laugh when they think they will never smile again. A couple of years from now, everything you are stressing about will not even matter. Keep moving forward. You made that choice to improve yourself for a reason. Don't go backward to habits, people, or situations that were not helping you evolve. Stop being afraid of what can go wrong. Start being excited about what can go